Hello children, our next chapter is Indian dances. In this we are going to see different forms of Indian dances. The main aim of dance is realizing beauty with rhythm and harmony. Indian classical dances are appreciated the world over. So in this we have to identify the dance forms from the clues given. Okay, let's start. The first one is it's a Kathak dance. Kathak is one of the 8 major forms of Indian classical dance. The origin of Kathak is traditionally attributed to the travelling bands of ancient northern India known as Kathakars or storytellers. 3 major schools or gharanas are Banaras, Jaipur and Lucknow. Nawab of Oudh, Wajid Ali Shah was a great patron. Prominent exponents are Birju Maharaj and Shovana Narayan. The next dance form is Bharatnatyam, India's famous classical dance form. This classical dance form is from South India, dates back to 1000 BC. It is considered as a fire dance. Bharatnatyam, also previously called Sadhir Attam, is a major form of Indian classical dance that originated in Tamil Nadu. Bharatnatyam is one of the oldest classical dance traditions in India. It has been nurtured in the temples and courts of southern India since the ancient era. It consists of 6 to 8 parts. Famous exponents are Vyanjanthimla, Rukmani Devi. The next dance form is Kathakali. Kathakali is a major form of classical Indian dance. It is a story play genre of art, but one is distinguished by the elaborately colorful makeup, their costumes and face masks that are the traditionally male actor dancers wear. Kathakali is a Hindu performance art in the Malayalam speaking southern western region of Kerala. This dance form was originated in Kerala during the 17th century. Next is Odissi dance. Odissi, also referred to as Odissi in older literature, is a major ancient Indian classical dance that originated in the Hindu temples of Odisha and eastern coastal state of India. The mention of this dance form was found in the 1st century BC in a classical treatise, Natya Sastra. And the last dance form, that is Manipuri dance. This dance form originates from the northeastern Indian states. The cult of Radha Krishna, particularly do Ras Leela in the central theme. Dances usually incorporate kartal, manjira and mridang. Movements of the dance are soft, subtle and aim at the devotion and grace. Manipuri dance is also known as Jagoi, is one of the major Indian classical dance forms named after the region of its origin, Manipur, a state in northeastern India bordering with Myanmar, Assam, Nagaland and Mizoram. So students, hope you understand this video, and in this you have to identify the dance forms of the pictures and write their names. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care of yourself.